The limit line script is a very powerful tool for recording short-term or one-off events in the spectrum, or to document limit violations. How to install scripts on the NADA SignalShark is the subject of another video on our YouTube channel. First, you define the limit values, for example, an upper and a lower limit value. And what should happen when a limit value is reached. In this case, saving the measured value. Now you are ready to go. The script shows us the spectrum and the result is written to the SignalShark's memory each time a limit value is exceeded. But not only a curve, it also stores the spectra before and after the event with the help of the spectrogram. To demonstrate this, let's use the script to record the transmission pulse of a car key and look at the result in the SignalShark's memory. Here you can see the timing of the transmission pulses and the corresponding spectra with the help of the marker. This was only the obligation for the limit line script. It can do much more. Using the integrated editor or the marker function, you can generate more complex limit curves. If that's not enough, it can even import limit value curves via CSV. In other words, curves that you have created in Excel, for example. And of course, you can also save them. You can also shift limit curves up or down by an absolute value. And last but not least, you can even use save spectra as limit values and thus make a comparison between a reference spectrum and the current spectrum. Like most NADA scripts, LimitLine is not only free, but also open source. So if you can program in Python, you can rewrite the script to suit your individual requirements. But even without programming knowledge, LimitLine can save you a lot of time and money. Why not give it a try? Thanks for watching your NADA Safety Test Solutions.